Evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. So shall we do the cards? Can you read what is your role? Yeah.
So the first part, my patient is 58-year-old company accountant with a demanding job. He or she is overweight and doesn't exercise regularly. Recently, the patient has been feeling unusually tired and has lost few kilograms, and his or her vision is a bit blurry. The patient feels overworked and thinks that the long hours of the computer is causing eye strain, and he or she needs reading glasses. Your patient spouse urged him or her to see the doctor about the eye issues. So the task we'll be doing is explaining the blood vision might be caused due to diabetes and recommended test for diabetes. Reassure the patient that the tests are straightforward and explain why they think that diabetes it might be diabetes like positive risk factors I have to explain about and recommend a referral to the ophthalmologist.
Okay. Very good understanding of the card. Yeah, we could start the speech.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Sanjana, one of the registered doctors in the clinic. How may I help you? Can I start with your name, please?
Good. Thank you so much for your greeting, Dr. Sanjana. My name is Rita. I'm 58 years old. I'm working as an accountant in an organization. Recently, I have developed a kind of blurred vision, double sight, and most probably, I'm unable to read, the newspaper or magazine. So this is a difficulty I have developed. I could say some 6 months ago. Initially, I thought I could manage it, but it is getting worse day by day. So may I know the reason for it? What is the cause and reason for this blurred vision? And probably I need to inform about my job being an accountant. It is a desk job. Probably I need to use my laptop more than 12 hours per day. Uh, so this is the reason I believe maybe because of this my vision has got affected. So what do you say, doctor? What is the remedy for this?
Well, I understand this. So, were you using any glasses for far vision or near vision before?
Well, to be frank, when I was 45, I started to develop a kind of, eyesight problem that I could not be able to read anything that is quite near. So hands-off distance I have to keep. But somehow I managed that situation by reading every day continuously, and that I started to manage. But after this, once again, I have developed this problem. But now it is a blurred vision. So that's why I'm afraid.
Well, are you even, one more question, are you even continuing to wear the glasses even now while
No, I
working
don't.
on the
I
computer?
told you, right? I don't wear the glasses.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't go for the eye checkup because due to age, I might have developed that
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
I just overcome it by, practicing by normal way of reading, and then instead of one arm distance, I was able to keep it near and start to read properly. Within 2 3 months, I tackled the situation. But I'm not, I was not using specs or reading glasses. I just managed it.
Well, I see to that we can do an eye checkup for you. And one more thing, what we can do is this, as you are 58 years old, these type, blurring of the vision may be caused due to variable reasons, as the age-related might be presbyopia, and the other causes also might be there, like you might have had conjunctivitis. Is there any irritation in your eyes when with the blurring of the vision?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Could you repeat again?
Yeah. Well, as I was telling you that we can go for an eye checkup for your problem. That is not an issue. And I would like to inform you that there are other causes also for this blurring of the vision. As you're 58 years old, there might be other causes also, like you might be having, any infection, or you might be developing cataract or glaucoma, or it might be due to diabetes or high blood pressure. So, have you done test for diabetes, or checked yourself for the blood pressure
No, not
recently?
at all. No, not at all. Though it has been insisted even by my organization and friends and relatives, they would also suspect a baby because of diabetes or, as you told, that the cataract or something. But I'm not trying to go for all this kind of treatment. So I've not tested so far.
Well, I understand that you're scared of going for these treatments, but what I would recommend you is you're also overweight, and you're 58 years old. That might be a age-related thing that is causing blurring of the vision. But it would be better if you go for the regular checkups like diabetes. Diabetes tests are just the normal blood test which you would give samples. So that is straightforward, and you don't have to worry about. And you know, if it
Yeah,
is better if
1 minute, Sanjana, because I told, right, when I was
Mhm.
45 years old, I developed a kind of, eyesight problem that I start to read with one arm distance, then I managed it. So, and based on that, you have to give your instruction that there could be various reasons for the blurred vision. And mainly, the nearsightedness or farsightedness, it is because of age, which could be corrected by just wearing a reading glass or normal glass. Whereas as of now, you have the double vision, changing vision, blurred vision. So I suspect it could be because of diabetes. As you told that you have not tested for diabetes and high BP, we could arrange for that. And once it is because of diabetes, just like wearing glasses could not be helpful to you, you have to go for the cataract correction. So this is the information you have to speak in this particular place. Before informing that, in case of diabetes, if it is that, what to be done, but how you're ruling out the other option.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
repeat it if you want to. So I just asked you once again that you asked a question that whether I had a test or the diabetes or high BP.
should go for further management as per the clinical condition.
Well, doctor, as you say that if it is unattended, if it is not treated, what kind of complications it could lead to me? Can you please narrate it?
Well, if it is, ma'am,
Unattended means because I'm not ready to
yeah,
go for the unattended or untreated.
Mhm.
Which means he told, no, you have to do the diabetes. I mean, you have to check up whether I have the diabetes or, BP. But I'm not for it, I told. So you have to say that. So I'm asking you, if I don't go for the treatment, for this, if I'm not
Yeah.
treating it now, what will happen to me? What are the complications? Actually, this you should have told by yourself, as you didn't say. I'm just giving a clue to you. You should have told. Actually, I told you, no, you have to explain that the
Yeah.
farsightedness or nearsightedness
Mhm.
could be ruled out at this situation as you are 58 years. Yes, you are right. Maybe at the age of 40 or 45, that could be one of the reasons. Some of